Hi.
Hi, sir.
What's your name?
Bilal.
Bilal. Okay, fine. What are you doing?
I'm working in MNC company.
You are working in MNC. That's great. Okay, fine. See, basically, this discussion is very much required for you before I show you the presentation. See, I have to ask you certain questions and I should make your mindset very clear before you get into knowing what is this opportunity about. Okay. See, when will you select a course for studies? Only when you are interested to learn something, when you are interested in education. Okay. So when will you select some food? When you are hungry. Okay. So when you are interested in doing business, then only you will select what business to do. What is the type of business? What is the company about? So first of all, let me see whether you have the mindset to do your business or not. See, you are working, you are trading the time for money. Okay? But you don't know, you just came to know about this opportunity and you are interested. Anybody is interested in money. Okay, when I do this, I get money, so I will join. It's not like that. Okay, you should have a good mindset to do this business. Okay, so have you ever given a second thought to your life and career?
No.
So nobody does.
Yes.
Suddenly I ask you, oh, I have, okay, same type of life, we are routine, we are doing something, So that's the kind of life everybody is leading. Okay? You should start giving a second thought to your life and career. Okay? And you should know what is freedom. See, freedom means I am not talking about the freedom that Mahatma Gandhi got for India. No. See, the freedom is nothing but time freedom and money freedom. Okay? See, there are three stupid stages of life, you know that. See, when you are young, when you are studying, okay, you have ample time, okay, but you don't have money to enjoy.
Yes.
Okay, you are working now, okay, you have very good money, but no time to enjoy. So when you become old, retired, okay, you will be having time, money, but no health to enjoy. That is the kind of life, stupid stages of life we are undergoing. Okay. See, when you want time freedom, when you want money freedom, okay, you should do something to change your vehicle. You are trading the time for money. Now, you want to go to Singapore. Can you go by cycle? Can you go by bike? So, you are preferring the flight. Okay. So, to go to Singapore, flight is the vehicle, correct vehicle. Okay, the same way, you want to attain the time freedom and money freedom. Okay, you should change your vehicle. Okay, you should understand there are three types of income. One is the linear income, another is the residual income, another is the leveraged income. Okay, linear income is what you are doing now. You are trading the time for money. Okay, only if you go to the office, only if you spend your time, they will give you the salary. Okay, if you are not going, you are gone. Okay, what Raya Rahman does is residual income. He makes one CD, okay, and he makes millions and millions of rupees. Okay, so can you become A.R. Rahman? No. Okay, see such a big rock. Okay, he is pushing with one hand easily. No, it's not possible for us. Okay, so what we are doing is like, we all join together, make such a CD, and get Oscar, like A.R. Rahman. What he does singly, we will do it together. Okay, so leveraged income is nothing but you are using other people's money, other people's time, other people's skills, other people's efforts. You are going to use. Okay, can you work 14 hours a day?
It's possible.
Okay, that's fine. Everybody can do it. Can you work 14,000 hours a day?
Impossible.
Yeah, I look mad, is it?
Yes.
I know. 14,000 hours, what are you talking, sir? So far you have been talking so nicely.
Yes.
Now, suddenly you changed. I am working 3,000 hours a day. You know how? Okay. I have 3,000 members under me who are working 1 hour a day. So that's called leveraging. Now, if you want to increase your time, then leveraging is a must. Okay, you take your standard of living now. Okay, income minus expenses was savings in 1950s. Income minus expenses was zero savings in 1990s. Now what is the trend you are seeing? Income minus expenses is equal to credit card payments. You always swipe. Okay, and get into the same mode of bitter life. You adjust. Never, my dear, adjust in life. Okay, you should, what you do is plan A. You are working, that's plan A. You should have a plan B always. What you are earning is a primary source of income. What we are going to suggest you is the secondary source of income, plan B. Always one should have plan B. Okay, whatever earnings that you get through your trading your time for money, being in the job, okay, you are spending this money, to your family, food, clothing, shelter, mobility, conveyance, so many things. But have you ever thought of creating wealth in your life? That's where you have to give a second thought, right? So you are struggling when you want to buy a house. Okay, you apply for a loan and keep paying EMIs. Okay, so why don't you have a secondary source of income so that you can create wealth? How to create wealth? So let us try. An attempt could be a failure, but there should not be a failure of an attempt. Okay, so let us try and see. Okay, if you are able to spend your spare time usefully, if you are interested in working as a part-time, okay, if you are interested in doing a side business, if you are interested in making some additional income, if you are interested in achieving some dreams in your life, do something in your life, okay, have good bank balance. If you have that interest, okay, then you select plan B. That is what we are giving you the solution to earn an alternative source of income. Okay, now you understand?
Yes.
See, this is how you should look at your life, the second thought. Okay, for leveraging, okay, how to leverage? I have to increase the time. I understood. Okay, I understood my status now. See, as an employee, I look for security. Okay, as a self-employed, I look for security. Okay, what business people do? Okay, they look for freedom, but they don't have time freedom. They have money freedom. They don't have time freedom. So investors, what they do? Okay, they make the money work for them. You work for money, but investors, what they do? They make the money work for them. So for you to increase the time, okay, what you should do? See what Bill Gates does. He has 1 lakh employees. Okay, 8 hours they are working. Okay, so 8 lakh hours he is benefited. So we can't do like that. Surely we can do like that. Leveraging. So such type of business you should be in. Then you will be able to leverage. Okay. So how to leverage? Okay, you should be in network business. Okay. Very good. Network business, whether it is a good industry. Okay, yeah, of course you should be proud to be in network business industry because it's the second largest money making industry in the world. Okay, next to the IT industry, that's the richest industry. And in 2008, you can see the direct selling industry that's called as network business industry that has crossed the IT industry's turnover also. Network business, network marketing, and that has become a normal subject in the curriculum in the business schools. 56 million people all over the world, they are in the network business. Okay, and out of 10 millionaires in the world, you can see 6 are from network business. Okay, so that is the kind of powerful industry is network business industry where you can do leveraging and you will be able to increase your time by way you will be able to have money freedom also, time freedom also. So when in network industry business you can do such good business. Okay, what type of product or company or industry I should be in? That is another question. Okay, so suppose if I tell you to run STD booth, okay, will you run? Because it is outdated. I will tell you to sell some bell-bottom pants, okay, will you do it? If I tell you to sell, run an internet browsing center, you are not interested because it is outdated. Okay, you want to be in such an industry where the demand and potential are very good. Okay, now internet is the future because the whole world is on internet. Every industry is going online. Okay, so internet is the future now. So for that, I'll give you a very good example when the radio was introduced. Now it took 40 years to get into everybody's every house. Now when when TV, color TV was introduced, it took 30 years to get into every house. Okay, mobiles took at least 10 to 15 years to get into everybody's hands. Computers and internet took some 5 years. But Facebook,
1 year.
in 1 year, it reached every corner of the world. How? That's the power of internet. Okay, so we are now going to do an internet-based business. So we are going to use the power of internet, reach globally. Okay, and we are going to be in the IT-based industry. That is the richest industry in the world. Okay, and we are going to do the leveraging by selecting the network business industry. So all these three combination with which we are going to start our own business, whether it is full-time or part-time, that is through My Video Talk. That's the US company. Okay, it's a 500 crore company. It's based in California, and it has got 71 countries. It is positioned at, and they are doing business operations at 71 countries. Okay, and all over India we have a lot of team offices. And the registered office of this company is in New Delhi. Okay, and purely it's an internet-based business and nothing to carry. Okay, it's an online business opportunity where you will be given an exclusive website, virtual business office, and you are running like a business center virtually. That's the kind of beautiful opportunity this company is giving. The income potential that they are giving is 6,000 rupees to up to 14 lakhs they are giving you. Okay, and no targets, no boss. You can fix your own targets. You can work on flexible hours. So you can work in your own timings. So that is the kind of beautiful business they are into. Now you are very much thrilled. Okay, now you got the mindset. Okay, see, this is a very good. See, now I have to take a decision that I should have a plan B with these kind of the points that I have so far explained to you. These things you should understand and give a second thought to your life and career, and understanding what's your standard of living, understanding what I should, understanding that I should change a vehicle. You are trading the time for money, and you have to go into leveraging, and you have to get into network business, and you should do business in internet based so that you can reach people. So such kind of points you have understood, and now only you are getting ready to see the presentation.
Yes.
Now you are ready to see the presentation. Yes. See, now if you see, then okay, now what you should know. Now, okay, now I am interested in business, I can do business. Okay, now whatever may be the company, whatever may be the product, whatever may be the type of system that works, now I can definitely do it. That is the mindset which is required. Now you are hungry, you will select food. Now you are ready to learn, you will select the courses. Now you are ready to do your business, and you got the mindset. Now you see what is this business. Yes. So now what are you going to see? What I am going to explain to you in this presentation is, okay, the company and its strength, yes, the product and its power, the business and its potential, and how you can learn this business in 1 hour, how you can start this business in 2 days, and how you can be successful in 30 days by getting 2 checks. Sounds good?
Yes.
Sounds good, no?
Yes.
Within 30 days you get 2 checks.
Yes.
No, that's great. Okay, so let me see how this business works. Okay, this business, is suitable for everyone, but whether it is suitable for you, that's the presentation you are going to see, and you go through the presentation, and then finally you ask whatever questions you want. We'll have a question and answer session. Then you can clarify all your doubts, and then we can take it further.
Yes.
Okay. So hope you understood. You are now very clear of the purpose for which you have come.
Yes.
You have thought of your life and career. Okay. what is how plan B is very, very important. Okay, so that's fine. So thank you. Let's go ahead with the presentation.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Bye bye.